Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free beauty. I'm going to get into my FabFitFun winter unboxing. I filmed this and my mic wasn't working, so we're doing it micless. Also, if you're new to my channel, I usually don't sound like this. I have a cold. I tried all the things to not get a cold. Or as I can, all the things that are supposed to prevent colds. It didn't work. Somewhat worked, but it didn't work. First, I got this Brock Your Body mini croquette set. It's like these soup bowls. It came with a green and a white. You can put them in the microwave, dishwasher safe, and oven safe. Maybe really cute. My husband actually picked these out. So we have a green and a white one. And then these, the neighbor goods, gifts for everyday life, fresh herbs, set of 3 sponge cloths. I like these. I don't know how you hang these. Like you can tell, unless you have one of those, I don't know, almost like a fish hook. But I have some of those from Vassal Beauty's brand, but I wanted to get more because, you know, they get kind of gross, but they're nice to have. And then from Anna Luisa, I came with a $30 off little coupon. I'm wearing an Anna Luisa necklace right now. It says Mama. I have this ring, not my engagement ring, but like I wear this as a wedding band. But I have some other jewelry. But I got this, like, I don't know what it's called, like a snake skin or something necklace. The lighting, it's all sparkly. It feels really pretty. I'm excited to wear that for layering too. And then I got this duo from Static Nails. I don't think I've tried anything from Static Nails. I think I have some press-ons, but I don't know what I'm doing with those, so that's the only thing I have from Static Nails. But it came with these 2 nail polishes. One that's like this mauve color. I thought it'd be really pretty. And it has rosehip, marula oil, and balm mint. And then a clear polish top coat. These are non-toxic and made in the USA. And this has rosehip, coconut water, and green tea. Looks like kind of a big brush, just saying. And then I got the Tower 28 mascara, Make Waves mascara in black. I have one of these. It's already open. I really, really like it. I waited to buy this for so long. It's $20. So I was like, but it's really, really good. I like it. It's waterproof, but it's not like a waterproof mascara, if you know what I mean. Like, it's not hard to take off. I'm not like losing lashes. So I do really enjoy the mascara. And then I got this acne treatment from Malin and Goats. I've tried some products from them and I have enjoyed them. But this is a sulfur formula. It reminds me of a Mario Badescu product where there's like powder at the bottom. Right now it's all mixed up. But you like put a Q-tip, or I'm going to be using something else, to put down at the bottom, and then you put it on a zit, dries out the zit. I know it sounds gross, but if you get zits, you know what I mean. 2 add-ons that I got. I got this Colfi cream eyeshadow. I don't know if this is dried out. I really hope not, because that would suck. Because these are usually $30 or $15 or $12. But the rim kind of makes me feel like it's dried. And it felt a little dry in texture. A little dry in texture. You have to make sure this is really on there. This is glass. I swatched it earlier when I tried this video the first time. It is a bronzy shade, like it says, in Bronze Barricade. It has some silver sparkles in it. So, oh my god. It ain't budging. I hope that's actually the case, because your eyeshadows tend to crease on me. I have oily eyelids, dry skin, oily eyelids. Even with setting an eyeshadow primer, like I have to use an eyeshadow primer, I have to set it. Usually I have to use a glitter glue. So if I can have like a shadow that's easy, like for work and stuff, that'd be awesome. Also can be layered, also looks smooth on the lid, all the things. And then lastly, this is random, but I have 2 cats. And so I got them a catnip toy. It's by Zippy Claws, it's Zippy Claws by Zippy Paws. It has catnip inside. I'm going to put it in a clip because my cats, as soon as I opened this box, they both jumped in and could smell it. And I will show you like clips of them. What's going on with Santa here? What's going on with Santa? You got this fun? No. No. Give me here. Willie got it. You get it? I know there's catnip in there. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. That is what I got in my FabFitFun box. Of course, I got like some coupons from like HelloFresh. Giveaways. That kind of stuff. But it's always how I end my videos. Stay safe, healthy, and always do something makes you happy. You can't take care of others unless you take care of yourself. If you enjoy subscription unboxings, subscription spoilers, makeup reviews, makeup rankings, I love eyeshadow. I also post my daily makeup looks for work, which are like a glam with a small amount of color here and there. Here and there, what I can get away with. I'll click subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.